Hello! My name is Chantsy and welcome to my channel. In this video today, I wanted to share a quick way of getting your hair zhuzhed up after a workout. So I was at the Daily Method, I did a cycle class, and my hair was blow dried and it's about 4 days old now. It's still salvageable and I don't want any more excuses to not work out because I have to do my hair. So this video is about that, and it's basically how can I revive this gross hair? The first thing I wanted to do is also share some hair products that are going to help me kind of extend the life of my good hair while still working out. So there's going to be a few key products that I would highly recommend. The first one being this, like, I don't know what they're called, but it's basically like a foam cord elastic. They are wonderful. They still kind of maintain the integrity of your hair. They don't pull on it, and then it doesn't like make too many kinks to it. So the first thing I want to do is brush this mop. I shed a lot, so ooh. I like these big paddle brushes just because I have a lot of hair. Okay. Not bad, not bad. So whether you're doing a workout in the morning and then you have to go to work, or lunch and then you have to go to work, there's a couple more products that you're gonna need to really get your hair looking clean. And honey, it's called dry shampoo. I love this stuff. This one in particular smells like tropical scent, but it's Batiste. Anything from Batiste is amazing, especially if you have blonde hair. I can't vouch for like brunettes because it does leave like a white kind of, like, it'll lighten your roots, which I don't mind, especially right now because I have a lot of grow out. I do a little shake, shake, shake. You want to give it a bit of distance too. And then go wild. And then what I like to do is I'll usually leave the dry shampoo in my hair for a little bit, kind of let it dry, and then I shake it out with a towel. This step isn't necessary, but I do it when I'm at home because it can get gunky. So if you have time and if you're at home, grab a curling wand and just focus on the front pieces, really. And because I already had some loose curls in my hair, I'm just kind of like giving it back the shape that it had before I put my hair in a ponytail or in a bun. And obviously doing curls is not necessarily feasible if you're like quickly trying to get back to work. I'll do some quick hairstyles that'll really kind of push the hair out of your face and help you kind of get polished and ready to leave the gym. I noticed that some gyms and spas have equipment like hair dryers, curlers, straighteners, that kind of thing. So just fixing the front of your hair is enough to make the whole thing look pretty good. But really the dry shampoo is where it's at. Because you won't be able to do this with kind of oily or wet roots. The dry shampoo will dry your roots and then your curls will hold a lot better. Okay, and if you want to see how I curl my entire hair on a normal day, there's another video for that and I'll link it above. Just pass my fingers through. So nothing fancy, but this hair looks way better than what I had before, so I can stop there. Sometimes what I like to do is just focus on pinning back my bangs if I don't like the way they are, or if they're not curling really well, or if I don't have a curler with me. So I just grab a little bit here and just make like a little headband with 2 bobby pins. And then what I like to do is make sure that I pull out some hair from here to kind of cover the bobby pins. So you can keep one side or do the same on the other side. You just have to make sure that they're kind of even on both sides. So here's look number 2. Another look that's super chic and super easy is just a low ponytail, where you kind of let your bangs fall out if you have bangs, obviously. Grab yourself an elastic. And then what I like to do is just pull some hair, because I have a flat head in the back, just pull some hair. But what I do is I hold on to the ponytail and then I'll just pull hair and then make it tighter from the bottom. Woo! I'm shedding everywhere. So here's another way to pull too. You can go like that. And pull. So here's look number 3. Very simple. Look number 4, you can do this but a high ponytail, and I think the trick to doing a high ponytail is to not fuss with the hair that's on your head so it looks more natural. Cute high ponytail. And then turn this into a fun bun. There you go, guys. That's 5 different hair looks that you can do after the gym, and a few tips on how to salvage your hair so that you can go to the gym, get dressed, look decent, and then head out to work or to a social affair. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Like, let me know which hairstyle you preferred, which one you thought looked best. Is there a style that you do yourself that I totally missed? Whatever it is, I want to know, and I want to hang out with you guys and talk to you guys. So thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's the circle here, and then you can watch more videos down here. Thanks guys, bye! We'll see you in the next video.